Ganzin Eye Tracking Reference Design with Epson VM-40. Ganzin Aurora Eye Tracking Solution is the most easy-to-install eye tracking solution on the market. The eye sensors will capture eye images, and the eye images are then analyzed by Ganzin AI eye tracking technology to derive the gaze information of users. The second-generation eye tracking solution, Aurora II, is an AI-based algorithm optimized on mobile platforms with high performance. Powered by our AI-based algorithm, only a single sensor and illuminator are needed for each eye. Moreover, this solution can be employed for both VR, AR, and smart glasses, wearable devices of all kinds. Now, Aurora II is optimized on Qualcomm XR platform as a software solution. This is Ganzin's eye tracking reference design with Epson VM-40 optical engine. For each eye, only one eye sensor and one IR LED are needed. The eye images are transmitted through the USB Type-C cable to a control box or Android phone. Let's put on the AR glasses and see how it works. With Ganzin's eye tracking solution, the interaction can be totally hands-free. You can control the AR glasses simply with your gaze. Looking at it, the icon will be highlighted. Gazing a short time at it, the app will be activated. With Aurora II, you can gaze to browse the pictures on your AR glasses. You can gaze to play the video. Fast forward. Rewind. Next video. And previous video. Here, we also show you the calibration process of our eye tracking solution. You only need to do it once at the first time when you get the glasses. The calibration process is simple. Just follow the moving box and done. After the calibration process, in the calibration validation page, you can check the accuracy of our eye tracking solution. With Ganzin's eye tracking, you can use AR glasses to access information free of hands, giving users the most natural experience. Ganzin Technology. See the wonders.